Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making 3 delicious corn recipes. This first one being a chili cheese corn, then a pesto garlic corn, and the third one, my favourite, an American salad corn. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So first we're going to boil our corn, and for that we're going to get some boiling water, then add in 1 teaspoon of salt, along with the frozen corn. So then we're just going to let this cook for around 10 minutes on a medium flame, and we're also going to cover it. So it's been 10 minutes and now, as you can see, it's all nicely cooked. We're just going to drain the corn. So for our chili cheese corn, we will need some grated cheese, 1 handful of freshly chopped coriander, half a teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, and half a teaspoon of grounded pepper. So for our chili cheese corn, we are going to take some of our corn. Remember that you have to keep your corn nice and warm. This way you can mix it nicely and it will taste even better. Then we're going to add in the butter, and you can adjust the quantity of butter to your need. We're just going to mix this in nicely, let it melt a little bit. Then we'll add in half a teaspoon of grounded pepper, our green chili paste. Again, you can make this as spicy as you want. Then some grated cheese. Finally, our freshly chopped coriander, and then we're just going to give this a nice mix. The tip here is just to keep mixing it so all the flavours can mix nicely together. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. So we've added our salt when we were boiling the corn, so we don't need to add the salt in again. Now it's time for plating. So this is our cheese chili corn. Now for the next recipe, we're going to be making our pesto and garlic corn. So we will need a handful of freshly chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of grounded pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 1 tablespoon of pesto. So we're just going to take a portion of corn again. And this time we're going to add in half a teaspoon of butter, half a teaspoon of grounded pepper, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, 2 cloves of garlic, which we have finely chopped, a tablespoon of pesto, and a sprinkle of freshly chopped coriander. Then we're going to mix this together. Now it's time for plating! So we've now made our pesto and garlic corn. The next recipe is my favourite, the American salad corn. So for our corn, we will need a handful of finely chopped fresh coriander, 2 stems of spring onion finely chopped, 1 finely chopped tomato, half a teaspoon of butter, a pinch of pink salt, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and half a teaspoon of grounded pepper. So we're just going to take another portion of corn. Add in half a teaspoon of butter. This is again just to add more flavour and to mix everything together nicely. Half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, half a teaspoon of pink salt, half a teaspoon of grounded pepper. Then our spring onion, along with 1 large chopped tomato. Some finely chopped fresh coriander. And then we're going to mix it well until the butter is nicely melted and it's all mixed equally. Now it's time for plating! I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!